Hello, welcome to Persian with Mahtab. Today you learn another only child in Persian. Z. Z sound is only child like D and R. Now look at the way we write Z. Z is pronounced exactly like Z in English. Z. Very beautiful, see? And we have beautiful words with Z, with zan. Zan is woman in the initial position. Zan. Zan. Z is only child, as I've told you before, like R and D can come in the initial, in the middle, and in the final position. Zan. You see? Zan in the initial. And also we have another body part, Zaban. Zaban is tongue. Tongue. By the way, we have learned up to now other body parts too. We have learned dandan, tooth, and bini, nose. And this is zaban. And also we have zanu, zanu, knee, and bazu, arm. Zaban is tongue and also language. Zaban Farsi, Persian language. Zaban Englisi, English language. Zaban. And ruz. Ruz. Ruz is day. Ruz. Ruz. And the word a color. Zard. 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 By the way, we have learned abi, blue, qahvei, brown, and zard, yellow. Now let's go to our jadwale dosti to connect the sound, to connect the with our vowel sounds to see how do we connect the to other sound and make new words. The sound is another consonant. If we make friendship between Z and A, Z only can come with this A because this A, as I told you, should come at the beginning. So Z and A, we have za. Za misle, like za misle, zanu. Zanu. Z and A. Z and A is za. Za misle zan. Za misle zaban. Zaban. Zan. Zaban. Z-a be-an. Zaban. And Z and U. Zoo. Z and او زو زو مثل like بازو 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 is arm بازو. Now Z and E, Z can come only with E وسط and E آخر. زی زی مثل بدیسی زیبا زیبا in Persian is pretty, beautiful, زیبا. And with this E we have بازی بازی means game, play. To play is بازی کردن بازی. Now let's go to give your homeworks. You have learned a lot of very beautiful and suitable words. One line, write Z Z and read aloud. One line, زن. One line, زبان. One line, روز روز. One line, زرد زرد, yellow. And I want to teach you a very beautiful, very precious and very rare word, آزادی. آزادی is freedom. آزادی آزادی, freedom, freedom. Write beautiful, very carefully and very clean, and read aloud with yourself. By the way, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video to the people who want to learn Persian. See you in the next videos. Good luck!